Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 469 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we have.
Rare.
Starting with a rare, 25 power points,
Super rare.
super rare, 30 credits,
Super rare.
and the super rare again, 50 power points. So starting off with the event selection, we still have Zombie Plunder, Straight Up Racket, and Volleyball Block Party. You can also see that we have the Gruesome Gus challenge coming up to get, Gruesome Gus. So again, they suggest using Look for Team to have better chances at winning here, because again, playing with randoms usually doesn't work out too well. Again, I think it's funny that it says it's only active for 168 hours. Again, I believe it's starting this Friday and it goes until Halloween, so you have a pretty darn fair amount of time to complete this challenge. Again, 168 hours, it's no rush. Again, the most important thing to consider about this challenge is that it's not unlimited lives, so if you want to get the skin, you actually have to strategize a bit to get up to those 12 wins on 4 different maps. Again, Ray Brawl Stars did a better job of illustrating what those maps are and how you can actually plan to beat it, so I'd recommend watching his latest video. But again, it's interesting to see that they're already teasing it now. But we also have Shuffle City 5v5 knockouts. Again, a map I'm somewhat familiar with because of the SpongeBob event. But if we jump on over to the shop, looks like we have Brother Bow at 50% off. Again, this appears to be a mythic skin just based on the price, and if I remember correctly, it is. However, unlike White Wolf Leon, I'm pretty sure if I go to mythics,
Live strong as the mountains.
I can actually pull it up here, so I wouldn't worry too much about this one. If you don't care about how many gems you spend, it is on a discount right now. In fact, I think, is it not the same? It's actually more than White Wolf Leon, so if you're looking to get value out of your gems, technically Brother Bow is a better offer here in terms of discount. However, White Wolf Leon is also exclusive to the Halloween season. However, you could potentially get him out of one of these dead boxes if you're lucky enough, so again, we're not getting the dead boxes within 2 days, and even if we did, they're not allowing us to open them until the 31st, so it's really a wager on, again, if you have the gems, whether or not you'd rather risk it and try and get it out of one of those 10 dead boxes that, I mean, it's pretty much a guarantee, I feel, that we're going to get all 10 dead boxes for free. Again, we've never not reached a community goal here, and technically, it looks like we've hit the 10 billion mark here for the Hypercharged Star Drop, but they're only going to release it tomorrow. So, again, we should be expecting a Hypercharged Star Drop for free in the shop tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. But they're not unlocking it quite yet because it takes a day to process, so again, that's something else to look forward to. So again, let me know if you had to choose between these two skins, would you rather get Brother Bow or White Wolf Leon? Again, just depending on the price and exclusivity. We also still have Cuckoo Colette and Decaying Dynamite. Again, from your guys' opinions in the comments, and I would totally agree. I'd rather just wait for the dead boxes on these skins to see if we can get them potentially for free. I also have a daily freebie of 5 credits as well as 15 coins. And I have a resource offer for coins, but again, I'd rather not spend gems on that. So, as of today, I have no XP doublers and 98,061 power points. But, other than that, not too much going on. So, again, let me know which of those skins you'd prefer to buy if you had the gems. But, other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.